Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a virtual credit card for PayPal verification. Alright, so let's begin. To get started with Do Not Pay, it's essential to note that while the platform is beneficial, it does require a payment of $36 every 2 months to access its services. However, if you're looking for a free alternative, EU Money is a great option to consider for obtaining a virtual credit card. When you sign up for EU Money, the process is straightforward and entirely free. After logging into your account, navigate to the Bank Cards tab. Here, you'll find the option for virtual cards. Click on the Virtual section, then click View to access the details of your virtual card. This section will provide you with important information about what you can and cannot do with your virtual credit card. To proceed, you need to input a 4-digit code provided by EU Money. This code will be sent to your mobile phone either via text or call for verification purposes. Once you enter this code, you'll be able to access your virtual card details. In contrast to Do Not Pay, which requires a subscription and your bank or credit card information, EU Money offers a completely free way to get a virtual credit card. This can be particularly useful for online transactions or when you need a temporary card for a specific purpose without incurring additional costs. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.